What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Infiniti QX55 remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2021 to 2025 Infiniti QX55 and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on or my thumb's on. Then the emergency key will pull out like that and we can just set that key to the side. Now if I grab my screwdriver and take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see there's these two notches that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver, one right here and there's another one just like it on this side. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch, and then while I'm pushing in, keeping some pressure pushing in, I'm going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. I'll come over to this side and do the same thing. And then once the case is started, you can just pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. You can use your screwdriver to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here by this metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.